Guys, we're gonna bust out the rotisserie for my NuWave Brio 10-quart air fryer coming up. All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you guys are a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. But if you're new to the channel and you want to see more cooks on this Brio, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it so you can get all the good stuff that I'll be doing with this thing. All right, today we are gonna bust out the Brio Air Fryer, the NuWave Brio Air Fryer, and we're gonna use the rotisserie on it. Now, I told you when we did the unboxing, it bakes, it shakes, it rotisseries, it does everything from washing your dishes to cleaning your car, all right? So, this is what we got. We have an already marinated garlic and herbs and oil pork tenderloin. Then we got some new potatoes. Just have the lightest coating of olive oil on there. I'll bring you around, I'll show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the potatoes to one side, the rotisserie right in the middle, and all them flavors are gonna meld and cook together. And if you guys wanna get your hands on one of these NuWave Brio 10-quart air fryers, there's a link in the description and in the comments. Feel free to click on it, it'll take you to Amazon. It's one of those affiliate links. You can pick yourself up one of these. And when you do, make sure you come back and tell me how it's working out for you, all right? Come on back. We're gonna go ahead and put the tenderloin in. That goes in there. And this just rests right on there, okay? Now what we're gonna do is take the potatoes and just put them on either side of it. So it's not touching it. I don't want it to disrupt the cooking of the roast. Actually, yeah, it's gonna touch the bottom, okay. So we're gonna move the potatoes to one side. And what's gonna happen here is all the juices from this are gonna help, all the juices and the oils in this are gonna help cook the potatoes. There's just a little bit of oil on the potatoes, so we're not getting unhealthy with this. But as you can see, we wanna move the potatoes out of the way enough that it's not hitting the pork and disrupting any of the cooking, okay? Looks good to me, what do you think? I think it looks good. T-Bone, yeah? Looks good. All right, good. Okay, let's shut this bad boy down. All right, guys, we're gonna turn this on. We got the roast in there, got the potatoes in there. You can click on the rotisserie. We got it at 325. We're gonna do the cook time, 30 minutes. And then we'll check on it. Okay? And then we'll hit start. Now what you can see here, you can see in there, that's one of the best features right there. You can see in, you can see what's going on. You can see that the roast is twisting and turning. We're cooking this at 325. We're gonna do it for 30 minutes. All right, guys, the first 30 minutes are up on this. I think we should still do another probably 15 minutes at 325 because we want this temperature to get to about 150, 155, all right? Because we like it just a tad bit medium, all right? So come on back in about 15 minutes and we should be good to go. And these potatoes are looking nice. Got a little bit of, fork tender. Got a little crust on them, looking good. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're back. Let's check this out. Got a lot more heat in there. Look at that. Nice golden brown. Gonna check the temp. I'll look for the hottest part there, the fattest part. Sorry. Let's check it out. See if we can get to 155. Slowing down, slowing down. Almost. Can we do it? Well, I was shooting between 150 and 155, so we're pretty darn close. I think if we let this set for just a few more minutes, all that juice coming out of there. We let this set just a few more minutes, we'll get to where we need to be. Let it rest, let the juices, there you go. Let the juices redistribute through there, and we'll be good to go. Let's check out these potatoes real quick. Look at those, nice and fried. Look at that golden brown, crispity. Sure, they got tons of flavor, not only from the salt and seasoning salt I put on there and the pepper, but just from the drippings from this too. Okay, we're gonna let this rest. And we'll get it on the cutting board. Come on. All right, guys, we're done. It's rested for about 10 minutes. Look at the juices just flowing out of there. That is gorgeous looking. Oh my goodness. I've never had pork turn out this juicy and not dry. Oh, so good. All right, come on back for the taste. All right, guys, we're back. We got this sliced up a little bit so I can do the taste test. We did the potatoes and the rotisserie pork roast at the same time. Looks like it turned out wonderful. Went about 45 minutes at 325. But you could also probably bump that up to about 35 minutes and go at like 400 or 425. So this thing is amazing. It went quick. I barely heard it. I mean, I noticed what was going on. So let's get into this taste test real quick. So I got a little slice off right here. It's so moist, so juicy. I'm watering it over here. I'd never get pork to turn out this way. No matter what I do, it turns out dry. This is not dry. This is damn perfect. All right. Let's try all these little potatoes. Perfect. Crunchy, crispy, soft on the inside, just the way you want it. This thing's a winner right here, guys. That's it. I'm excited about this. I can't wait to try all the features that this thing has. I'm excited to bring you along with me. But until the next time, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.